test AP TET 2024 will be conducted through a computer-based test by the Department of School Education, Government of Andhra Pradesh, and all the districts of the state except Manyam and ASR Allur Sitaramraju districts, and those candidates will be accommodated in the nearby districts. The main objective to conduct the teacher eligibility test is to ensure national standards and benchmark teacher quality in recruitment process in accordance with the National Council for Teacher Education. One of the essential qualifications for a person to be eligible for appointment as a teacher in any one of the schools, both government and private, referred to in class N, section 2 of the RT Act, is that he should pass the TET conducted by the Department of School Education. So the condition precedent is that a candidate to be appointed as a teacher must have passed the TET exam. Now, by this notification, now please now come to page 24. The schedule for the purpose of conduct of examination. The table your lordship would get it?
Yes, 24.
24. Notification dated 8th of February 2024. Payment of fees is from 8th to 17th of February. And online submission of applications is from 8th February to 18th February. Online mock test availability is on 19th, that is on the next day. And download of all tickets is 23/2/2024. And schedule of the examination paper 1 AB and paper 2 AB is on 27th of February 2024 onwards. Now please see the time schedule that is there right from day 1. Issuance of a notification up to the conduct of examination is only 19 days.
Release of initial key.
That is after the examination. Let us forget about
examination. And then receiving of objections in 1 day.
Yes.
Usually.
And see the final key.
Release the final key given.
13th of March. Release the final key on 13th March. I submitted on 11th. At least for the purpose of collating the objections to the key will take some time.
Yes.
They have only 1 day for collating that and also for the purpose of considering those objections and publishing the final key. And final key is on 13/3 and results will be on 14/4. So entire schedule that was fixed is from 8th of February to 14th of March. That is a period of just under 5 weeks. Our grievance for this notification is
yes,
that the time that is prescribed for the examination is too short to enable a student to be thoroughly prepared for the examination and appear for the examination. This is the first objection insofar as the teacher's eligibility test is. Now kindly look at, it is only a person that is acquiring a teacher's eligibility test would be eligible to apply for the post of a teacher for the purpose of recruitment. Now, for this purpose of this recruitment, they have notified the syllabus also. Is just now released. Please see column structure and content of AP TET paragraph 6. Lordships got it? Structure and content of the AP TET. That is on page 7.
Yes. Yes.
It says child development and pedagogy, language 2, mathematics and environmental studies. These are the subjects on which the teachers are required to participate. And paper 1B is on the next page, bottom you have to put in respect of content of paper 2. And again, on the next page, you'll have to put find paper 2. And the basis where do we get all these things is, you'll have to put find it that in page 8, they say just above paper 1B, they say that the detailed syllabus for all the subjects shall be designed by the page 8.
The last notification, this kind of a notification, which is at page 18.
Yes.
When was the last given earlier?
Earlier notification that was issued was in 2022.
So in that, what is the time gap that was given?
Yes, I'll take your lordships to that. Now I'll take your lordships to the schedule, which is at
yes.
page 104.
No, we'll complete this, whatever that you are submitting now,
Yes.
and then go to that.
Now, in this, your lordship could see in the syllabus portion, state syllabus textbooks class is at 6667 amps.
Page 5.
Page 8.
No, there's the bottom page numbers are there.
Page 8, your lordship. Page 7 amps.
Yes.
Page 7, subparagraph 7.
Hmm.
The detailed syllabus for all subjects shall be designed by state
Paragraph
council.
7.
Yes, subparagraph 7, Roman 7, small 7.
That is in page 6.
Just above the paper 1B.
We're not on the same page. 1 minute. You've given me. That is the same.
Turnover.
Next page. Next page, sixth one.
After 3 pages, 4th page, beginning. Just above, above the table, which contains paper 1B.
The detailed syllabus for all subjects.
Yes.
Yes, this is page 5.
Sorry. It seems to be little difference. Your lordships can ignore the first one. See page 7.
No, this is not the same thing what is given to me.
That is earlier one that is.
This is not the same thing what is given to me.
Now passed on is the one that is in.
This one.
Okay, what is this then?
I think that's the old one. That's 2018.
So this, we don't. Okay, return. Yes.
Please see page 7.
Page
7. Bottom.
Yes.
The detailed syllabus for all subjects shall be designed by the State Council for Educational Research and Training, and the same shall be issued along with the.
No, I've not got it yet.
Just above the table.
Sixth Malad, structure and content of AP.
Same page, Uchel.
2024.
Why don't you number the page numbers and give? It'll be easy to follow.
My lords, one submission, my lords. This similar matters was before this first court, my lords. That has to be here today because of that. That was listed today, my lords.
Yeah.
The matters was posted day after tomorrow regarding the notification of 2024, the same issue. Maybe taken up day after tomorrow, my lords.
That is
Notification of 2024.
It's same
No,
notification.
but what is the matter that is there pending?
That is also same, my lords. Two
Okay, that-
matters was filed, my lords.
Madam,
4
how
to
can it
4.
be same? The roster lies here. So you have to tell me what is it that is under challenge there?
They are also.
Let's say I'm instructed in that case also.
Ah,
That is questioning the rules. Under the rules that are notified by the NCTE, that a person possessing a BEd qualification can apply for the purpose of recruitment to the school assistant post, that is for teaching classes 1 to 7. That is as notified by the NCTE, based on which the rules have been made by all the state governments saying that persons possessing BEd qualifications are also eligible for being appointed as teachers in primary school category. Then the matter went to Supreme Court saying that BEd qualified candidates cannot be allowed to teach for classes 1 to 7 because the syllabus, everything is different. It is only the D.Ed students and D elementary ed students are entitled to apply. Supreme Court has upheld this in October 2023. That contention. Result is that the rule notified by the NCTE is gone. Then, but state rules were not amended. Now this notification is issued based upon the existing state rules. That's why we challenged the rules in the that was listed before the first court, saying that BEd candidates should not be allowed to participate in the examination for the purpose of recruitment. But whereas the one that is before your lordships is entirely different. In this case, what we are challenging is that you have notified the examination on 8th and you wanted to conduct the examination on 22nd. All the time period that you have given is 14 days, which will not enable the candidates to have a informed training for the purpose of writing the examination. I'm not saying that your lordship should stay the examination. Let them give 10 days time for the purpose of enabling the students to prepare for the TAT. And insofar as the second examination is concerned, I am before your lordships on the simple point because both the notifications are in question. One is teachers eligibility test. The second is teachers recruitment test. Now I have shown to your lordships teachers eligibility tests, which is a condition precedent for the purpose of appointment of teachers. Now, simultaneously, kindly look at page 25. The government has on 12th, that is 4 days after the notification for eligibility test is issued, on 12th, they issued a recruitment notification. And for the purpose of applying the recruitment notification, I should be eligible having qualified in the TET. It is then only you can issue a teacher recruitment notification.
there would be already such qualified persons. They will be.
Even then, even if I am a fresher, you are now notifying it. And you have notified it earlier to this notification. This is on 12th.
Which is on 12th, the teacher's eligibility test.
Recruitment notification was given.
Recruitment. Okay.
That is at page 25. Whereas teacher's eligibility test notification was issued on 8th of February 2024. And they didn't do it that way. You kindly see the schedule in this. That's at page 31.
Yes.
Date of issuing notification 12/2. Payment of fees through payment gateway 12/2, 21/2. Online submission of applications from 12 to 22nd. Online mock test availability is on 24th. Download of all tickets is from 5th March. Schedule of examination is on 15th March. And now this compare it with reference to the first one. What is the date of declaration of results insofar as the earlier TET schedule? That was on, results will be declared on 14th March. And this examination is on 15th March. When do the student will prepare himself? They are saying in the notification They are saying in the notification,
Hmm.
we will issue hall tickets only those persons who have qualified in the TET 2024.
Hmm. So let us see the dates once again.
Yes, please first see the first TET schedule at page 24. There are only two dates that will be left.
So unless they pass in the TET, they will not be able to, they will not be eligible to apply
Eligible even to apply
recruitment.
recruitment test. Now please see 8th of February 2024 is the notification.
Hmm.
And the examination is on
Yes.
27th of February. What is the time lag between these two? 19 days. This includes 10 days of application time and fees payment time. And kindly see the last one, when the final results will be declared on 14th March.
Hmm.
Now please come to the teachers recruitment test.
Hmm.
That is at page 25 and schedule is at page 31. Date of issuing the notification is 12th of February 2024 and date of examination is 15/3/2024. Why do they want to rush the things? They themselves have waited at least from 2022 onwards for the purpose of conduct of the TET and also teachers recruitment test.
So this is at page 28, the schedule.
Schedule is 31. So 14/3, the results of the eligibility test will be published. And this examination is on 15. How do a candidate will know? He knows whether he is qualified for writing the examination or not only on 14th March 2024.
Hmm.
And the examination for recruitment is on 15th. And now I take your lordships to the notification that is issued by the central government for the purpose of conduct of the central eligibility test that is also conducted by the central government.
Hmm.
That is Central TET 2024. Your lordship would find it at page 115. This is conducted by CBSE. The date of examination is January 2024. And please kindly see the schedule and mode of examination.
Hmm.
And the lordship would see the schedule at page 116.
Yes.
This examination, the schedules for
When is this issued? This is issued in November.
November.
Yes.
They issue a notification on 3rd November. They conduct the tests on 4th of January. That means time lag is 2 months.
Yeah.
Only for the test, the eligibility test.
Hmm.
Forget about the recruitment test. Can you just schedule it in such a manner that it would become impossible for the aspirants for the purpose of for both the tests?
So when is the previous notification
Yes.
issued? In
Previous notification was issued
2022 is.
2022. That your lordship to get it 103.
Yes.
I'm sorry, page 102. Lordships got it. Date of issuing the TET notification and publishing of information bulletin on 10/6.
This is exactly what I was also mentioning, that receiving of objections on the key other things, at least a week's time is granted.
Not kindly leave alone. We'll come to the after conduct of examination procedure. See as to when notification was on 10/6, examination was on 6th August.
Yes, and then 10/6 and then 6th of August, is it?
Yes. 6th of August to 21st of August examinations. And 10 days after that, they wanted
Almost
to use the key.
payment of fee also from 15.
They are almost given 1 month.
30 days. Online submission of 30.
Release of initial keys on 31st August, receipt of objections, they gave 1 week time. And then thereafter 5 days for the purpose of considering the objections and releasing the final key. And exam results were is on 14th of September. This is the first notification that was issued by the self-same government. Recruitment test could not have been notified.
After this TET was conducted last time, was there any recruitment notification
Yes,
issued also?
recruitment notification was issued, Miller, 1 year thereafter.
1 year thereafter.
That your lordship would find it. Oh, I'm sorry, not. I don't think there is no.
No notification. was
After
issued.
2018, there is no recruitment of
There
teachers.
is no
TET, that's all.
So then they might be addressing the old TET only. So far, no recruitment has been done.
Let us assume so. I point out to the current one. Kindly see the recruitment notification at page 25. February 2024 notification. Just once. Paragraph 6 at page 27. I'm sorry. All tickets will be generated for the candidates who are qualified in the AP TET only can appear for teacher recruitment test 2024. And thereafter, have been at page 32, the information bulletin has been issued.
No, in the year 2018, when this teachers recruitment thing was given.
No recruitment notification was given.
2018, you said.
18, yes.
2018, what was the schedule that was given?
2018 schedule that your lordship should kindly notice. Page 101 is the TET schedule.
Now, TET we have seen.
Teachers recruitment is at page 103. No, I'm sorry. 102. TET not. TET కాదు. 3. And 21 is the schedule.
Page
Page 81 is the schedule.
81.
7 weeks, above 7 weeks. Through the things. And they can't conduct an eligibility test along with the recruitment test. Recruitment could only take place after the results of the eligibility tests are declared and persons who are eligible are entitled to make an application for the purpose of recruitment.
No, they may be addressing because there are people who have already passed in TET
That,
in the year 2018 or in the year
for
2020,
that purpose, let me tell you,
2022.
Lordships, for the purpose of postgraduate examination into medical courses, every year there will be a test, competitive examination for the purposes. The students who are undergoing the training after completion of the studies are also eligible to apply. And once they successfully complete, they become eligible for the purpose of getting admission into a postgraduate medical course. But they don't bar the students who have been doing the house surgency from appearing in the examination. Thing is, your lordship would accept as a matter of principle that the right to make an application, right to be considered for appointment is a fundamental right. And as when you have issued a notification, you have not conducted the eligibility test for the purpose for a period of 2 years. And then you say that after 2022, I'll conduct the test in 2024 and only make 2022 people eligible. How could it be?
Why not?
What happened to the students who have to pass the examination in 20?
Probably wait for the next recruitment.
No, I'm entitled to
For
complete this.
example, even for the present thing, the last recruitment was done according to you in the year 2018 itself.
Yes.
Now, after that, from then onwards till date, almost for 6 years or 7 years, no recruitment has taken place.
No.
Now, 2022, they have conducted a TET, and then candidates, whoever have got qualified, they are already waiting for the recruitment. So, in that event,
If that be the case, the people who have passed in 2018 who take it in the recruitment test and the people who have passed earlier are still waiting. But the question is simply because that there is a backlog of candidates who are eligible for participating in the test will not be a ground to throw out the freshers.
maybe they can relax that condition that only such people who will produce a certificate TET will alone be considered for issuance of all tickets.
No, that's not the case.
How?
Now, according to them, we will conduct both the examinations together and we will issue hall tickets only to those students who have passed the examination.
So one day before the results are being declared.
Declared. Where is today I am informed that I have passed. Tomorrow I have to write the recruitment examination. How do I write?
There is a specific prescribed syllabus for the recruitment examination.
Lot of syllabus. May I just take your lordships to the one which we have separately passed on?
No.
Page 7. First table is in respect of the elementary school teachers.
Page 6.
Page 6.
Yeah.
And page 7 also in respect of elementary school. Kindly see page 8. Paper 2A for classes 6 to 8. Multiple choice questions 150. Duration of the examination 2 hours and 30 minutes. Structure and content, child development, language 1, language 2, mathematics and science teachers or social studies teachers, language teachers, Telugu, Urdu, Hindi, English, Tamil and Sanskrit. That is the first examination. Second examination is in respect of the subjects that are mentioned therein. How do a candidate will prepare even without knowing whether he is eligible or not? My only request is I don't want any stay of the examinations. First, insofar as the first examination that is eligible test is concerned, let them give reasonable time for the conduct of the test. And after results are announced, let them conduct the recruitment.
So then you should say what is the reasonable time also according to you?
Reasonable time is at least give 2 weeks of time to enable the students for the purpose of preparing for the exam.
For the first one, TET. For the TET.
TET.
Yes, madam.
My lords, I need to get instruction for that. Initially, I requested for day after tomorrow, my lords. Day after tomorrow, my lords. Meanwhile, I also get
You
instruction
see, on a
regarding to
day-to-day
that.
basis, I think the process is already commenced, is it not? 8/2/2024 itself,
Last date
It's,
is
it's a last date is
TET.
yesterday was
The
the last.
last date, I think, is already over also.
But
For
that it is
them to
also-
apply for payment of fee and other things. Today we are in
19.
19.
Anyways, my lords, I need to get instructions, notification.
Probably today they'll be taking the mock test.
Mock test, it
No,
will
mock
be
test
online.
hearing.
Somebody who is interested in taking the mock test will take it. It's not a compulsory.
Not compulsory.
Will be taken day after tomorrow, my lords. I'll also get instructions meanwhile. For systems.
Because on the face of it, it appears to be like as if you're rushing through. You see page 24. Even with regard to almost, when you compare it with this schedule, 24 with 102, even that also there's a lot of gap. Just see 102.
Yes, my lords.
Firstly, you've given almost about 1 month for candidates to appear, to apply. Then thereafter, almost 30 days you've given for the candidates to apply. Then thereafter, then whatever help desk also. The loading of hall tickets, the examination, then with regard to filing objections to the initial key also, you've given almost 7 days.
For
So
that-
this is the minimum time.
For that, I'm
5
requesting.
days or 6 days you require for even candidates to apply also. On one single day you give, for any reason, if the candidate is unable to attend to it, then they will not be able to raise any objections about it.
My lords, already submission of application is already completed yesterday, my lord. Who are applied, my lords, nothing should be happened, my lords. I'm seeking only 1 day to get the instructions.
I'll post it on day after tomorrow,
Oblige, my lord.
on Wednesday in the motion list.
Oblige, my lords.
Be high up on the board.
Yes,
Otherwise, it will go down.
yes.
Or your lordships can mark it either as a part third or for orders.
It's not.
Not necessary. I'll list it on top of the board. on.
Oblige.
After having heard the council, Srimati Hemlata, Leonard AGP, seeks time to obtain instructions, written instructions in this regard. Stop. Let Srimati Hemlata, Leonard AGP, obtain written instructions. Post on Wednesday in the motion list on top.